Hi everyone, I'm Jackie. I'm the Project Manager and Marketing Director at Multi-Trade Building Services. We are super excited this year as we're celebrating our 30th anniversary. Wow, 30 years in business. That just doesn't happen too much these days, especially in construction and renovation. So we're going to start out with something special this year. We're going to start doing short 3 to 5 minute videos like this one and posting them every other week here on our Facebook page. However, we're also saving them to our YouTube channel. So they'll be there permanently and you can go back and visit them anytime and see any of the previous ones that we've done as well. These videos are going to be short so that we don't take up too much of your time, and they're going to share some valuable information, tips, hints, guidelines for renovations and home maintenance in general. Now, to get things rolling, we're going to start out today talking a little bit about why you should consider hiring a contractor to manage your project. Now, I'm not talking about little wee short projects like maybe doing some painting and removing and reinstalling a new vanity in a powder room. I'm talking about the bigger projects. Projects like a kitchen renovation, a bathroom renovation, or finishing a basement. Those are the projects that you really could utilize the expertise of people who have been doing this a long time and know how to manage and control the project from their end. We did a project once several years ago. It was almost a whole house renovation, and the client decided to be her own general contractor. Well, I have to tell you, it was a nightmare for the people that were working there. We were the primary person on site, so we did most of the renovation work. But the client also had other people there, some who were doing windows, some who were doing the heating and venting. There was one day I remember being on site, and this client had a huge driveway. There was so many contractors and workers on site that there was nowhere to park. I think we were parking about a block and a half away. That's not a good place to be. When you're doing a kitchen especially, there's so many people to coordinate. There's the person who does the cabinets, the countertop people. Who's going to be doing the plumbing, the electrical? What about the flooring? Have you got a separate person in to do the painting? Well, a project can really drag out if you don't have a general contractor who's going to be running the show. But you don't even have to hire a general contractor. For example, when you hire Multi-Trade Building Services to do something like a kitchen renovation for you, it's all of our own full-time employees who are going to be doing everything. The huge advantage to that is that because they are our own employees, we schedule everything. So if we need a plumber to be on site tomorrow, then the plumber is there tomorrow. If we're ready for painting to start in the afternoon, then the painter is there in the afternoon to get the ball rolling. That's the advantage of hiring a company that have their own full-time employees to do all of the work on site. Not only are they controlling and running the project for you so that you don't have to worry about it, but you know that there aren't going to be any gaps in the work. You're not going to be waiting 2 days for the plumber to show up to do the rough-in plumbing for the relocation of your sink. Whenever you're doing a large project like that, yes, it might cost you a little bit more to hire a contractor to do the project management for you and to run the show. But in the end, the project will run smoother, faster, be much more stress-free, and most importantly, it'll be done right. Make sure you do your due diligence and check the references of anyone that you're thinking of hiring. Make sure that you're hiring the right person. Thanks for listening, and if you have any questions, don't ever hesitate to contact us. You can reach us by phone at 905-259-3344 or even email us at mtbs@bell.net. Check out our website and you'll see all kinds of details about us then. I look forward to seeing everyone on the next video, and hopefully you'll be following us and learning lots about your own projects. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.